Here we've got Motorola Moto Z, and let me show you how to invert colors on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, go to the settings then, now locate and open accessibility, and scroll down a bit, and here you will notice color inversion. So if you would like to invert colors in your Motorola Moto Z, just tap here, and that's it. As you can see, your colors have been inverted, so you've got black display, everything is changed, also the colors on the wallpaper, so it has been just changed. And then if you would like to go back to the normal mode, to the standard colors, just open the accessibility again, and then click on color inversion to turn it off. And this is it. This is how you can activate dark mode, how you can invert colors in your Motorola. Then you can also have a quick access to this mode through the upper bar. Just slide it down, locate color inversion icon right here, and now as you can see it's active. Then you can switch it off the same way just by tapping. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.